Welcome to RFQWP. This is your RFQWP team. In this video, you will learn how to create a form the fastest way. How to install RFQWP, you will see in the description. We will begin by adding a new form. Replace the design palette. Place the shortcode on one page and test it. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard under RFQWP. Click on Forms. At the top, you will see the main buttons. In the middle, you can see your form list. Now click the Open Pre-created Forms List button. In the pop-up window, select the first import button and click on it. Congratulations! You successfully created your first form. Now, in your new form row, click on the eye icon to open your form settings. Navigate to the Style tab. Now we see your form style sheet. Let's change it to one of the pre-created styles. Click on the Open Pre-created Styles button. In the pop-up window, select the palette that you wish and click on the Import button. Now you can see that the styles have changed. Now click on the Save Changes button. Now click on the Settings tab. Copy the shortcode. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard under Pages. Add New. Click on the plus button in the middle. Select the shortcode and paste the form shortcode here. Now save and open the page. Congratulations, your first form is ready to use. If you want to see more, click the link in the description.